First, the leaf-tailed gecko. It literally becomes part of the tree, with bark-like skin, jagged edges, and stillness that would fool your own eyes. It's pure stealth. Next, the pangolin. Not just armored, but dirt-colored, scale-textured, and curled into a rock when threatened. Most predators think it's just a lump. And the nightjar bird? Its feathers match fallen leaves perfectly. It nests on the ground, stays motionless, and vanishes into forest floors like a ghost. This isn't magic. It's evolution with a PhD in stealth. Follow for more creatures that could be anywhere or nowhere.